Hello all, welcome to our channel in the series of international relations. As you know, today the topic of discussion is a very famous organization, that is United Nations, and we are going to talk about each and every aspects of United Nations in this video and in next coming some videos. So stay tuned for entire series. And if you have not liked our channel, so please do like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get the latest video updates to our channel. So let's get started. So India is a founder member of UN and is the largest functioning democracy of the world. So India has also played a key role in activities of the UN in the last 7 decades. India has begun her 8th term in the UN Security Council on 1st January 2021 as a non-permanent member. In her 2 years of term, India will have an ample opportunity to contribute to the resolution of the global challenges like terrorism, climate change, sustainable development, threats to multilateralism, and of course a long pending UN reforms. In the present day international environment, beset with many other uncertainties and challenges, the UN continues to be the only globally accepted multilateral institution to manage the global affairs. The world can afford to weaken the UN system only at the cost of more chaos, disorder and uncertainty. The human and material toll resulting from World War II convinced international community that the future of humanity lies in the world peace. The United Nations, as a multilateral body, is to promote and maintain international peace and security. Is the result of this realization. So, United Nations was founded on. I'll just write it over here. Founded on 24th October 1945 by 51 countries committed to maintaining international peace and security, developing friendly relations among nations and promoting social progress, better living standards and human rights. However, the leaders of the aligned power, so the leaders of this UN are US, Soviet Union, that is USSR, and now Russia, France and England, played the leading role in the foundation of this organization. These were the victorious nations in World War II. The defeated nations, that is Germany, Japan and Italy, are called Axis power. So you have to remember that Germany, Japan and Italy and all their co-nations are known as Axis power. The name United Nations was given by US President Theodore Roosevelt earlier. It was called United Nations Organization or UNO, but later the word organization was dropped and it is now called as only United Nations. The 24th of October each year is observed as UN Day, and it was the day that the Charter of the UN was adopted by the 51 founder members. The Charter is the constitution of UN. At present, the membership of UN has increased to 193 member nations, which demonstrates its global acceptability. The UN was not the first international organization established for promotion of international peace and security. Its predecessor, the League of Nations, was established in 1920 after the First World War as a part of Treaty of Versailles. The American President Harold Wilson played the leading role in the formation of this organization. However, the US cannot join the League of Nations because US Senate could not approve it. The League of Nations did not succeed in objectives due to certain structural weakness and unfavorable international environment. Its failure in 1930s led to the outbreak of Second World War in 1939. The founders of UN have tried to remove those shortcomings from the League of Nations have suffered. So this is all about a little background about United Nations. In our next video, we are going to look into the objectives of UN. So stay tuned with us to the next video of this interesting topic, that is United Nations. It is very important in the perspective of any competitive exams as well as your international relations studies. So thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more such content to our channel. Also do like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get the latest video updates to our channel. Thank you.